the future, right? Like
Mhm.
how do you see the role of the product manager evolving? Like, is it going to change drastically? Like what do you think is going to be happening?
Mm. Well, what I'm seeing already happen is that all these branch outs that I already mentioned, the technology innovation that is coming up about, especially in the digital phase or even in the physical space, because the physical space is not the physical space anymore.
Mm.
Even in the car, you got to think of, oh, what VR experience we can give or whatever. It's that's kind of the thought process, right?
Right, right.
Everyone is going for a hybrid experience, right? So I think what is happening is that people are realizing or recognizing the complexity of each of these disciplines. Sorry,
Right.
with AI, AR, VR, blockchain, these are not simple things. There is a lot of nuts and bolts, lots of moving pieces, hardware, software, technology, right? So what is happening is what you can call like a division of labor,
Right. Okay.
division of work. And that happened initially, it was just like internal product manager, B2C and B2B. B2C, no one called B2C because, okay, it was understood that the product is used by consumer.
Yeah.
B2B is that. Now, B2B products now could be still, there are some primitive solutions which are on mainframes. They are not SaaS or cloud or one of the newer fancy things, right? So
Hmm.
now SaaS became another category. So what I'm seeing is like a lot of division and categorization or demarcation of this, which again is not new, but it's becoming mainstream because companies like Facebook, what they would do is like their feature is a product, like just news feed is a product, just
Yeah,
the
that's right.
like button could be a product, because
Right.
you are essentially trying to make that button the star of the show, right? And then they make you compete. So their setup is such that every logical segment of a product itself is a product, right?
Hmm.
And product managers own the roadmaps of those specific parts. So there's like a lot of division of labor, and I think it's becoming increasingly apparent that uh, there is a specific group of people who are becoming technology product managers. So that's a fusion of technology and product management. And there's another group who would be essentially more around the customer and the design side. It's apparent in companies like Amazon and stuff like that. But again, that's also, I think, becoming mainstream as the complexities increase. And one person cannot really do all of this even in like 15-hour days. Like it becomes too much to do for like one group of one team of people, like if you give everything to do.